with the direction coming from our director. We'll go straight now to the Q&A. So we'll open the floor now to our pageant media partners. And this time around, amin po kayong tatawagin. So magpakilala na lang po tayo. Kung saan din po tayo affiliate. And then please throw your question. I'm going to begin first with... You guys ready? Well, you have no choice than to be ready. So impress the universe and impress our Mr. Filipinas worldwide. Allow me to begin first with For the Philippines.
Ako pala yung una.
Yes, sir. Kayo po.
Can I have the microphone?
Yep, can we have the spare microphone?
Meron ba? Sarap. Kailangan malisan para.
Hi. Hello. Uwian na tayo. Hi, Anna. Good evening. So, ongoing yung posting ng official swimsuit ng Miss Universe Philippines as of the moment. And we're still waiting for your official photos. So, how is it? Like, yung preparation mo doon, right after the competition ng Miss Universe Philippines, kumusta yung naging preparation mo aside from your mental health and the financial supports, of course? And syempre, kailangan din natin yung body physique natin. Kumusta yung preparation mo for that shoot?
I think that it was really hard at first, you know, winning the crown. Afterwards, I get to indulge a little bit. And then after that, ayun po, nag-workout talaga ako and everything. Grabe talaga. Every morning, I get to wake up around 5 a.m., 5:30, and then me and my dad will always jog. And I think that helped to just, you know, shape my body really well. And I'm still doing efforts because I want to look good, not only with the thoughts that I say to the media, but also my body. And, you know, I also make efforts with resting because when you rest a dough, if you're familiar, when you rest a dough, it will rise. And I think that I also have the same conception about us, that if we get to rest, we will also rise.
Okay. In connection with the swimsuit photos, I think few weeks from now, you're going to Boracay for the Aqua swimsuit presentation. So, ready na ba ang isang yan na maranan for that show?
Yes, I'm really ready and I'm still polishing. Syempre, I need not to be perfect, but you know, really show my best, really show that I have this determination to get the crown and to show that I have really improved from my past performance before.
Okay, follow-up question. How does it feel like you're competing along with our pageant veterans, queens, and of course, the newbies na super Josa din. Kumusta yung feeling na you're with your 68 other co-candidates?
Actually, at first, I was really nervous when I got to meet them at Divina Law when we had our contract signing. I was really, at first, disheartened. Yes, that's why I said I kind of lost hope because, oh my gosh, these girls are so beautiful. But then I kept on reminding myself that I'm also beautiful because why would I win a pageant if I am not worthy of a title? So I think that's more on the determination of myself and how I can bring that crown not just for Batangas but for the whole Philippines.
Okay, thank you. To Mark Reyes, naman our Mr. Filipinas Worldwide Batangas 2025. So my question is, how does it feel naman na you're with the towering, handsome Filipino guys, like competing for this year's MPW?
You know, each of our candidates, we are carrying different stories behind our backs. And just a quick story, a funny story actually. I've attended the first screening of Mr. Filipinas Worldwide. At nandun po si Kirk Mongal. Sabi ko, okay, baka ano siya, guest or baka judge namin siya. And then sabi sa akin ni Mama Maru, sabi niya sa akin, punta ka na doon sa candidate sa mga candidate. Sabi ko, sino po ang candidate? Ayun si Kirk. Sabi ko, talaga mo ba? Kasi I was really amazed how tall he is. And alam mo yung sobrang, talaga siya, mukha siya. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, mukha santo. Kasi kausap ko siya kagabi. Sabi ko, mukha ka na santo pare. And again, competing with these people, we have so much heart why we are representing a specific province. And I'm here carrying Batangas with me. And I know that God didn't put me on this specific stage. And God didn't put me in front of you with nothing. So, I'm just carrying my confidence here. And I'm excited to be working along with this amazing group of team. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much again. Question for the Philippines. Maraming salamat po. And before we direct and again jump straight to another pageant media, this time around we'll have the messages coming for first from the immediate family members, if you don't mind, my dear friends. So now I would love to offer the microphone to the sister of Miss Universe Philippines Batangas, Miss Yana Maranan. Ma'am, your message that you would love to offer first. And don't you guys worry, we'll get back again to the Q&A round. Of course, this is a send-off, so we'll be needing a support message of hope, words of wisdom that they'll be needing in order for them to perform better. Ate, I guess it's perfect if you'll join us here on stage. Palakpakan naman po natin si ate. Ako ng loving sister.
First of all, gusto ko po mag-thank you sa whole organization ng Miss Universe Philippines Batangas kasi super hands-on talaga nila kay Yana. And then sa mga sponsors po, super thank you po talaga. Talaga pong ang laking help po para sa amin na may mga sponsors na mapagbigay sa sister ko. And syempre sa media po, pageant media, thank you din po dahil ang layo-layo po ng Batangas pero nandito po kayo lahat para pumunta and ma-cover yung send-off ni Yana at saka ni Mark. Ayan, super proud ko kay Yana kasi